So here's the quick story on how I ended up with recoils. In 2011, I made it through all 3 stages of PGA Tour Q School, and I earned a Korn Ferry Tour card. I was super excited to get out there and play. I had basically just transitioned from a 12-year teaching pro career into a full-time playing career, and I was excited. I had rifle 6.5s in there, and I had played well through Q School, so I was ready to rock and roll. Halfway through my first year on tour in 2012, I hit a shot and I fractured my hook of hamate bone. Basically sidelined me for the rest of that year, and I took a medical extension for the following year. In order for me to play with reduced pain, I needed to find a product that was going to help me. I started researching as many graphite shaft companies were out there, and I was familiar with UST because I had the Addis in my driver. The recoil was a home run for me. The basic design concept and even the name why it's called recoil is because as it strikes the ball on the ground, it has a recoil that resembles steel. So if you're looking at a graphite shaft to use and you're a great player, you have high club head speed, don't feel that graphite isn't the way to go. I love my graphite shafts. I love these recoils. The feeling is basically identical, and even the look is very similar. So when I hit down, and I still hit down even though I broke my hand, I still have a descending strike on the ball. So here's a 5-iron for you. Right? That strike on the ball and that interaction between the ball and the turf gives me feedback through the shaft. If I'm looking to control my ball flight, hit high shots, low shots, I need to be able to feel that club head. And the only way I can feel that club head is through the shaft. So if you're interested in using that recoil, I would definitely give it a chance. The transition from steel to graphite was so smooth for me, and I don't think I'll ever go back.